Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video series, we are going to dive deep into the world of virtual assistants. Whether you're just starting from scratch or looking up to level that skill, well, you're in the right place because this program is designed to guide you step by step. Hindi lang para makahanap ka ng trabaho, kundi para magtagal ka sa VA journey mo. Kasi madami pa tayong matututunan dito. Today, we're going to talk about something very important, and that is the top 5 qualities a successful virtual assistant should have. Bago ka mag-aral ng bagong tools or mag-apply ng mga jobs, kailangan mo munang i-develop ang proper mindset and habits. Because even with all the training in the world, kung wala kang maayos na mindset or good work habits, mahirap magtagal sa VA career. Ang goal natin here ay ang magtagal sa VA career. And let's be real here. Skills can be learned anytime, right? Pero with the proper habits or attitudes, yan ang totoong foundation mo. Okay, our number 1 quality here is commitment to results. As a VA, hindi ka lang tagagawa ng task. You are a results-driven problem solver. You have to think like a department in a company, such as marketing, admin, and even customer service. And make sure that your output or your result is actually helping the business or the company grow. I always ask myself with the result that I do or the outputs that I do, if I were the business owner, do this output satisfy me or does it make me happy? Kasi client doesn't just want effort, they want impact. And another tip here is you can always ask yourself, just like what I did na parang if I were the business owner, you can also do like, am I helping the business grow through this result that I have right now? Number 2 qualities is non-stop learning. The digital world is always evolving. Tools change, algorithms update, clients even needs to shift, kaya as a VA, hindi pwedeng tamad ka mag-upskill. Also, I make it as a habit to explore free or paid courses online kasi sayang din. And even YouTube tutorials, madami. A 10-minute video would actually be a great help. Sobrang dami mo nang matututunan doon. And madali mo na lang yun ma-apply sa work mo. And my tip here is always take time or at least give yourself 1 or 2 days in a week to learn something new. Kasi, wag mo nang antayin yung client na sabihan ka pa kung ano pang kailangan mong aralin. Unahan mo na. And that's how you stand out. Our number 3 quality is embracing change. Online industry moves fast. The way you work last month might not work this month. And honestly, may mga instances na sobrang comfortable ka na sa routine mo. Kasi I tried this Sobrang comfortable na ako sa routine ko. Then, boom! Biglang new tool, new process, new everything. That's why you have to learn to be flexible and adapt to change. You have to take it as a challenge. Whether it's a new tool, a new process, or adjusting to a new time zone. My tip here is, kung dati lagi mong sinasabi na hindi ko alam paano gawin yan, kailangan mong palitan yan ng, sige, aaralin ko yan. Next quality is resourcefulness. Hindi lahat ng tanong mo masasagot agad ng client. You have to be that kind of VA na marunong dumiskarte. Someone who can use tools such as ChatGPT, Trello, Canva, YouTube, and even Google to figure things out. My tip here is when you're actually stuck into something, try to do your own mini research muna before asking. Malay mo, that 10-minute research that you did would actually save your client from a 1 hour of explanation. And trust me, they will notice the effort that you did, and clients really love it when you show initiative. Our last quality is self-motivation. There will be days where you feel like wala kang kausap or walang nagpupush sa'yo, walang nagtutulak sa'yo para gawin yung mga bagay. And you'll need to stay motivated kahit pagod ka, or kahit may rejection, wala man lang updates and feedback ang clients. And that's where knowing your why helps. Kung alam mo kung para kanino Para kanino mo to ginagawa and para saan? Babangon ka at kakayanin mo kahit walang applause from other people. And another tip here, which is also my favorite thing to do, is meron akong mga sticky notes and I usually write some motivational quotes, place it in my work area, and I just read it whenever I feel tired or I feel like I'm giving up, and you can do that too. Now, let's do a quick recap. We have commitment to results, non-stop learning, embracing change, being resourceful, and lastly is the self-motivation. Kung may area ka dito na sa tingin mo kailangan mo pang i-improve, that's totally okay. The goal here is not perfection. It's your progress and your process of doing that. Because honestly, even me, I still go through rough days and learning curves, but what matters here is I keep on showing up. And that wraps up our session today. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with a fellow aspiring VA. See you in the next video, same time, same place. Remember to never stop learning, never stop growing, and keep showing up for your dreams.